It's time to cruise, everybody. You can probably tell I'm on my cruise ship right now, but I have to do this intro as I'm walking through. Not quite diamond yet, but I'm getting close. I have to start this off with the fun that we're about to have. 14 days. I have 2 days in Universal Studios parks, and then I have 11 days aboard the beautiful Carnival Venezia. This is so much fun, but we're gonna start it off, calm down, with the hotel that we chose to pick there in Orlando. I'm gonna drop you on over to that video next, but please do stay for the whole series. We're gonna take you through all the Orlando parks, which is dynamite fun, and then we're going to take you on to our 11-day Carnival Venezia cruise. This is so exciting. I'm so excited. I'm on the ship and I'm still just as excited as when I got here. But let's start off with the hotel. Let's start this off with the hotel. This is called Sparks by Hilton Universal Boulevard, located at 7701 University Boulevard in Orlando, Florida. Let me take you through and show you what this hotel has to offer, why we chose it for our Orlando University Park stay, and why it still might be a perfect hotel if you were coming down to do the parks before you were going to do a cruise out of Port Canaveral. All right, I'm gonna show you some of these amenities and I'm gonna give you that room tour. Here we go. This budget-friendly hotel is just 15 miles from MCO Orlando's International Airport. It's a very quick 10-minute ride to Universal Parks. It comes with an included shuttle to Walt Disney World parks. It comes with an included breakfast. It also comes with free parking. There is a facility to do your exercise, as you can see, and there is also a swimming pool. Let me take you through a tour of the room, and then I'm going to show you the area where you can have your free breakfast. We are staying in room 429. Let's go in. Now remember, this room has been, we've stayed here. We've stayed here for the time. We're actually getting ready to go and head up to the ship, but let me give you a room tour. Let me show you what you can expect. Once you come in to the right, there are some hooks. Straight ahead, here is your view. To the left, we have the bathroom. Let me give you what that looks like with a hook behind the door. You have to come inside to turn on the light, but here is the restroom, toilet. Just ignore all the stuff. The shower. It is a shower curtain. It was okay. They have it weighted, you know, the little, so that you don't, it doesn't stick to you, and it never did. These are the products that they have. The dark blue color. Here is the situation up here. Toilet paper and, you know, other things that you can put down there. All right. Back to your entrance. To the right, here is like, I guess, your closet space. Hair dryer up at the top, shelves, ironing board, iron, of course, plenty of clothes hangers and space for your suitcases. As you walk in, you have your 2 beds and beautiful ladies. The beautiful ladies do not come standard, those are extra. You have your full-length mirror to do your fit check. There is a chair here, but the chair actually goes somewhere else. I'll show you. Waste basket. Here is, let me come through and kind of step back a little bit. Here's your television entertainment area. And you have a fridge there, decent sized fridge, we used it. And a desk area here. And this desk, you can pull it out. Let me see if I can do it. Yeah. This whole part pulls out, so you can turn it into a workstation if you need to. Okay. Lamp. Here's some things to charge. And your air conditioner. A lamp here. Yep. The beds were comfy. Well, some of us say they were, some of us say they were not. Let me show you. You do have an ottoman there in between. Yep, we never use that one. And your phone and more charging and lights. So this is the room. Hotel? No, Hilton by Spark. Spark by Hilton. I'm gonna say it right in a minute. I promised you I would show you the area where you have your morning breakfast. So what they are doing here is they're having what they call a bagel bar. And I'll show you exactly what that means. That doesn't mean all they have is bagels, but you'll see. Here is the area where they have fruit and they have boiled eggs. And then this area, they have an assortment of cereals. And then you have milk for your cereals. But here are the bagels. And they have a different assortment of bagels. They also have muffins. And then they have hot water and cups that you can make your own oatmeal. So it's more than just bagels. Over here is where you can toast those bagels, microwave things in this area. So let me take you back across. We'll just pass right by and go on the other side so you can see what else they have to offer. It's pretty cool. Here, of course, is your drinks station. They had orange juice and apple juice. Then you can make your own like little parfait. They have yogurt, vanilla, and strawberry, and then all the little things that you can add for the toppings for your yogurt. Once again, more areas where you can toast your bagels, a wider assortment of bagels to choose from. So this Spark Hotel, it really could be a great budget-friendly choice if you were staying in the Orlando area. I would recommend it. Once again, it is budget-friendly. Well, that is going to wrap up our video for today. Make sure to join us for this entire adventure. We're heading to Universal tomorrow, and then we're headed to the Carnival Venezia. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will catch you at the next adventure.